good afternoon.
Hi, my name is Captain Nick. I'm the captain on board C'est La Vie. C'est La Vie is a 2020 Lagoon 46 flybridge edition, and it's a beautiful boat. So I'm going to show you around the boat. First, we're starting at the helm, and I really like the flybridge because there's a nice daybed area for guests to hang out. If you want to sit next to me while I'm sailing, maybe learn the lines a little bit, you can. Also a great place in the evening to lie out and enjoy the nice cool island breeze. We can move this bimini down and you can see the stars. It's a beautiful part of the boat. Right, then if you follow me, we'll go down to the bow. So you can see on the bow of C'est La Vie, there's still plenty of room to lie out, enjoy the sun. We have the nice nets, great place to hang out when we're under sail, and you can just feel the water rushing underneath the boat. Right now you can see all our toys we have out for on display for the boat show. So we got our 2 stand-up paddle boards, we got our sub wing, we have a snorkel gear. Me and Lauren are both big free divers, so we love to come show you around the reef here. Around the boat. Nice little daybed cockpit area. We are set up to fish on C'est La Vie, so maybe we can catch a couple mahi while we're out here. And you see we have a bunch of floats in the back. We got the nice wide mats, great for hanging out off the transom of the boat, enjoying the sun and the water. And then that brings us to our beautiful cockpit. So right now the cockpit's set up for dining for 4, but these tables do expand to accommodate more guests. Just a really cozy part of the boat. We have our hydration station right here, so you can stay hydrated in the hot sun. And I really like the cockpit. It just feels really homey and comfortable in here. Alright, are you ready to go inside? You can meet my partner and the chef on board, Lauren.
Hello. Come on in. So if you want to check out our galley here, we have this spacious table. It's set for 4 right now, but we can fit more. Most of the time we don't spend any time inside unless we just want to use some of the cold AC. We do most of it outside, to be honest with you, unless it's, I guess, raining. But yeah, if you want to come check out our bedroom, it's back over here. And then there's a head right here too, which the bathrooms got redone on the 2020s. The countertops are really nice. All right. All right. Thank you guys so much for showing us your boat.
You're welcome.
Of course.
So we'd love to talk to the chef about her favorite cuisine on board and what your favorite dishes to make.
I really like to make a lot of different things. All over the globe kind of dishes, but I would say my favorite to serve is seafood pasta. I mean, you're on vacation, who doesn't like seafood? I love pasta. It's a win-win.
Great. What kind of life experience has made you prepared for the charter crew role?
Well, I studied engineering in college, so I'm very mechanical savvy. So helps keep the boat running smooth and strong. If we ever run into any mechanical issues, I can usually diagnose it and take care of it myself. Also after college I did a stint in the Peace Corps, so I'm just used to being a little bit out of my comfort zone. No stranger to stress. How about you?
I come from a professional photography background. I was doing wedding photography before this for a long time. I love to bring that on board. I have an underwater housing. I get in the water with the guests. I take underwater pictures. I take family portraits because they're usually dressed up anyway to go out to dinner at least once. Moms love it. Also, I don't know, I've just always worn a lot of hats. I worked as a barista in a past life. Our boat has an espresso machine, which is really fun. I love to make lattes, whatever you want.
Aside from all of your fabulous water toys, what other entertainment do you guys offer on board?
Well, we have a couple board games behind us.
Yeah, for when it's raining, which really helps. We've got a bunch of really great books for kids.
Yeah, we're also working on a library.
Yeah.
There's the bar. I think we're both very informed people, so we like teaching our guests about the ocean environment we see around us. We like teaching people about marine life, island life, anything we might come across.
I definitely love to get in the water with you and snorkel and show you around, which I think is awesome. I know a lot about fish, so if you're interested, I can teach you a thing or two about what fish you're seeing and maybe some turtles too.
What would your most ideal charter group be?
A prepared charter guest. I just, and it's okay if you're not, of course, but if you know what you want to do, we can more easily make that happen,
And if not, we'll find something that you enjoy.
And yeah, if you don't have any idea what's going on, we will give you options.
Just come ready to explore. Come ready for an adventure.
To have fun.
So, broker question here. So for the informed guest, what is something you think often gets overlooked by guests?
What to pack? They're probably packing
They
too
pack
much.
too much. Yeah, every guest as they're getting off the boat does actually say that. They're like, I just wore my swimsuit all
Yeah,
day.
you're not going to need that much clothes. You just spend all day in your swimsuit.
But you can bring them. What else gets overlooked? I don't know. Activities.
Yeah, maybe brush up on what you want to see a little bit. If you want to see St. John because you like national parks, then we can definitely make that happen. But if you want to see a little bit of the island nightlife, then definitely staying around St. Thomas a little more and doing some onshore adventures.
Do you guys have a favorite charter memory?
Baby dolphins, yes. I love seeing baby dolphins once in a while, but I actually have an eye for them. I can always pick them up.
I like the high wind sailing days when it's like really, really blowing, like seat your edge of your seat sailing. As long as the guests are here to enjoy, yeah, we have a good time.
Yeah, doesn't happen often, but he really loves to sail. So if you're interested in sailing, we're not just going to be motoring around. If we can sail, we sail.
Well, that's all the questions I have for you guys.
Thank you.
And don't have anything else coming in online right now. Just remind us, how many guests do you sleep?
We can sleep 6.
Okay.
We have 3 queen-size cabins.
That's awesome. All right. Well, thank you guys so
Yeah,
much.
of course. Thanks for
thank
coming
you.
by.